guys, this is the founder of Buildingwealthinc Inc. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in and for taking your time to watch this video. While you're still on that, hit the like, subscribe, and notification button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So yeah, it's been a minute. It's been a minute since I uploaded a video, but I'm back again. I'm back like I never left, and I'm just grateful that I'm alive today, and I just pray to God that He blesses me with more days like this. The sun is out there and it's a beautiful day. So today I'm looking to just do a quick market overview on what I'm currently seeing on Nasdaq, gold, and I'm currently in a position on gold. So I think I'll break that down later, but I'll look at Nasdaq. As you can see, that is what is currently open on my chart. So this is the weekly chart, and one thing I noticed actually from the monthly time frame is that we broke our previous high, our previous resistance, but my interest is in how we broke, not the break itself, you understand. So for me to get a clear picture, I have to dive lower into the lower time frames. It's a multi time frame analysis, as you would know. We start from the top all the way to the bottom. So looking at this, I can see that okay, we've been going up, we've been trading to the upside, and probably the reason why this has been happening is because we have this nice correction here, nice corrective move, which came down as a descending channel in the weekly time frame. As you can see, we had this impulsive move, and this was just a correction. So I could see the market heading here in the longer run. Like I feel like, or I think that it has to come to this point. But then what I think or what I feel doesn't matter, especially when it comes to the markets. I just have to work based on what is it that I'm seeing, and not what is it that on, and not what I'm feeling. You don't necessarily need your emotions, because your emotions could be the reason why you're losing. There's this saying that says we see things as we are, not as they are. So the mindset is quite important. You have to have a clear mindset and trade what you see, not what you think, or not what you feel. And that's a warning to myself also. That's a warning to myself also. So yeah, dive into the lower time frame. Let's go into the daily. Let me see what gold is doing. Let me see what gold is doing real quick. Okay, gold is kind of pushing up nicely. In some profits, I'll also post that when it hits my take profit. So my take profit will be here, of course, my first take profit, and then my second take profit being where my initial target is. With that said, let's go back to NAS 100. I think I should move my stops to break even at this point, but then I'll do that later in a minute after I'm done recording this one here. So now you can see that okay, here we have also our daily high of where the market just got into. So I'm interested to see, okay, we have this kind of pattern here. It's sort of like a rising wedge type of pattern, and then we're forming some kind of like a double top in a daily time frame, which is an interesting take for me. And here I can see that okay, after we got our second touch, we got this nice ascending channel, of which eventually got broken. And after it got broken, I would consider this to be a corrective move. I wouldn't be looking at buys, especially now that we are at a resistance. I would wait for the market to break this resistance first, to get a clear breakout, a retest, and then continue to the upside to our initial direction. But currently, with what I'm seeing now, I'm a bit biased on being on the buy side. So I'll be looking for selling opportunities based off of what I'm seeing. So similar type of thing, we're having a rising wedge type of pattern in the 4-hour time frame, and then when we go into the 1 hour, we can see that we have this like ascending type of pattern, this ascending channel, and this happened after we got our second touch, which is similar to this idea here. And after we got a break, and then so it would be important to wait for half past three when the New York Stock Exchange opens. The New York session, it will be open to wait. Important to wait for that. But looking at this right now, let me look at the 15 minutes. It's quite an interesting setup. Because right now we are at our resistance. Wait, let me make sure that it's clear, it's nice. Let me go into the daily. Okay, cool. So right now we're in between a resistance and a support. We can see that the market rejected a couple of times here, first time, second time, and third time here. So it's quite an interesting setup, but I wouldn't buy at the support here. I'd wait for it to break this resistance here and consider buying from here. And if I'm looking at selling opportunities, I would look for a break in resistance and retest to that area there, and then all the way to the downside. So that's my take on NAS 100 Nasdaq. Thank you for tuning in. I don't really have much time to break everything else down, so that is the only thing that I'm looking at currently. Also, like I said, I have a trade on gold, which is more it's moving well, and yeah, I hope it hits my take profit, because it's going to be a beautiful day. And with that said, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, show some love, and that's it.